Can Insta360 beat itself? The X5, their latest 360 flagship, captures everything around you in stunning detail, even when the lights go out. But the Ace Pro 2 isn't backing down. It's got a larger sensor, sharper clarity, and Leica co-engineered optics built for cinematic performance. Both are low-light champions, but they see the night differently, and that might be the deciding factor. Which one wins when the lights go down? The full comparison is here. Let's break it down. Can the new Insta360 X5 compete with their own best action camera? We'll find out today. Both cameras are filming in a pure video mode. It is still a few minutes before the sunrise. In this video we will see which of the camera is processing the dark scene better. On the video preview this seems very similar, however I definitely can see more lighter details on Insta360 X5. Both cameras are filming on their maximum configuration. It is 4K 30 FPS pure video mode on Ace Pro 2 and 8K 30 FPS and pure video mode on Insta360 X5. Let's now switch Insta360 X5 to the single lens mode, which doesn't support pure video mode, and let's just compare the same test again. So Ace Pro 2 is filming in the pure video mode, so the same configuration for Insta360 X5. For my previous video that I made on the comparison between Insta360 X5 and DJI Action 5 Pro, I was really so much surprised how Insta360 X5 is keeping its quality, especially in the low light conditions. You can check this video comparison by clicking now on the link that will appear on the top left corner of the screen. Okay, so the sun starts appearing over there, but it's still a little bit darkish because the sun is still a little bit behind the mountains. We know that the biggest popularity of Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has arrived after they introduced their new pure video mode. We'll find out today if their another best action camera X5 can beat its record. Let's see how both cameras will catch the details. We have two pigeons, but again it's still darkish. Let's see how much details we can see from those pigeons. 360 camera is filming in 8K for better framing, while Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is filming in 4K 30 FPS. The same as on the previous video, this uneven road will reveal a lot of details, because on this road we have a lot of small rocks, also uneven surface, we have vegetation, trees. From the preview from Ace Pro 2, I can clearly say that I can see more natural look, pretty much the same what was for DJI Action 5 Pro. However, with Insta360 X5 I can definitely see more details. Switching Insta360 X5 to the single lens mode, it means that the camera now is filming in the regular video mode and continue filming in the pure video mode with Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Now I would say that the picture on the preview seems equally good, the same, and even the colors look pretty much the same. Let's now completely turn off the pure video mode on both cameras and continue filming on the same road. Insta360 X5 is filming in the single lens mode now, and Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is filming in the regular video mode now. Both cameras are filming in 4K 30 FPS. The sunrise is right over there, and we can see definitely that Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has a little bit quicker adapting to the new exposure. When we tilt the camera closer to the ground, closer to the vegetation, I think the details on Insta360 X5 revealed better. The sun is right behind me. On the video preview from Ace Pro 2, the spot where the sun is, it looked a little bit washed out. However, on Insta360 Ace Pro 2, I can definitely clearly see myself. Switching now both cameras to regular video mode. However, Insta360 X5 is filming now in 360 mode, 8K 30 FPS. Continue on the same route. The one clear disadvantage for me in Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a flip screen. As you can see, when I hold the camera just in one hand, it's simply impossible to open the screen just with one hand. Going now to the observation point. The sun is on the right hand from me now. It is right over there, and it seems like the scene on Insta360 Ace Pro 2 looks darker because it's tried to focus on the sun and limits the exposure value. However, more details can still be visible on Insta360 X5. Alright, I just took a few shots with both cameras. I set Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to its max configuration of 50 megapixels. Pure shot. Insta360 X5 remained on their 36 megapixels, also in the mode of pure shot. So guys, just let me know what do you think, which of these cameras and especially the photo shots looks better for you, Insta360 X5 or Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Okay, leaving the sun behind me, and now just walking again to the shadowy part of the mountains. On uneven road, walking down, here we can see more details, and also the sun is shining far away on another part of the mountain. I'm really glad how Insta360 improved their 360 camera. It looks like an ultimate camera that can be used daily without grabbing any other action cameras. So far, when I'm going outside somewhere, I started grabbing this Insta360 X5 with me all the time. It is very small, it is very compact, and how versatile it is, because you can film in so many different modes. With a long selfie stick, you can even imitate the drone fly. This is very interesting scene, because the sun is still behind the small hill, and the exposure value is adapting really slow on both cameras. We can see the preview on Insta360 Ace Pro 2 looks very dark, and seems like that we can see more details on Insta360 X5. But let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think? Which one of these cameras revealing more details? Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has never been my favorite action cameras, because there are a few things that actually I don't like about it. First of all, it's a flip screen, the battery size, it's a little bit more bulky. However, now with Insta360 X5, I would say that Insta360 is getting back on the favorite desk among all my action cameras. What do you think, guys? Which of these cameras better fit for your needs? Just leave the comments below. Okay, I'm among the flowers, the beautiful violet colors, and the sun is on the background. Let me know, guys, which of the scene looks better for you. I know that many of you would prefer regular action cameras. It is easier to operate, it is more durable, and just in case if it's falling on the ground, it's much easier to replace the screen, or actually the camera itself. It's a less chances that it will be damaged. However, with the new Insta360 X5, when they introduce a replaceable camera lens that actually wears the most fragile part of the camera, I will say that the action cameras now become even. And in my previous episode, as you have seen already, when the camera slightly fall on the concrete and actually nothing happened to the lens at all. Let's film now with the direct sun just in front of us. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has definitely adapted much faster and changed its exposure value, because now the scene looks a lot more darker than on Insta360 X5. Switching now Insta360 X5 to the single lens mode and just continue walking on the same road. I don't see very much improvements in the sunspot. However, all the details on the road to the left and to the right looks more clear, crisper and sharper on Insta360 X5. So alright, guys, sun is up. Now the sun has turned the most of the power, no clouds at all. And I would say that both cameras will be filming pretty much equally. I was asking a few people regarding their opinions regarding this Insta360 cameras, X4 and X5, comparing to action cameras like the DJI Action 5 Pro and Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and some of them told me that Insta360 X5 and X4 are too big and too bulky. It is too heavy, and they would like to use like the smaller cameras for the self-vlogging. By the end of this episode, on Insta360 X5, I still have 75% of the battery. However, on Insta360 Ace Pro 2, it is still left 73% of the battery. And if you enjoyed this episode, just don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you will see more even interesting comparison in the upcoming weeks and in the upcoming episodes. Cheers, and see you in the next one. Bye.